Doing a little group ride this morning. A bunch of guys from church and friends going out. Gonna ride up to Ledges in Iowa. We're gonna meet up with whatever the big meetup.
I scraped so hard on that roundabout. It scared me.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Different bike?
Yeah, most motorcycle guys know where the malt shops are and all that, best burger in town. Ecclesiastes 12:13. When all has been heard, the conclusion of the matter is this: fear God and keep his commandments, for this is for all men. It's cool to have. We all got bikes, we all got jobs, we all have families. All that stuff are blessings from God. But it starts with your relationship with Christ, and that's just kind of the message that we wanted to talk about today. That's why we're here.
Everyone on the starting line. got no reverse on that thing?
Aren't they though?
Dude, those new Chiefs.
Oh,
The dark horse?
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
they're awesome.
They're awesome. Yeah, they want a lot of money.
I'll be around for a lot of these. This is fun. Well, that stinks. I forgot to plug the mic in the whole time. I worked hard to get that setup all done, and then I left it unplugged. So, learning experience. First ride. At least I got some We're gonna have to move it to get back. Didn't get the kids for Jack's game, but I think we'll be alright. It says 10:53. I need to shave off like 6 minutes.